In the U.S., it'll be a tough week for President Joe Biden. He's facing a huge battle to get a $1.9 trillion COVID-19 relief bill passed by Congress. It's critical for the millions of unemployed Americans and the millions waiting to be vaccinated. Here's Jennifer Johnson.
A storm is brewing at the White House after 10 Republican senators asked for a meeting with President Joe Biden to consider their counter-proposal $600 billion COVID-19 relief plan. The president's package, more than 3 times that amount, has little to no GOP support.
If you want unity, if you want bipartisanship, you ought to start with a group that's shown it's willing to work together for a common solution.
Bringing America together, uniting our people.
Republicans using the president's own inauguration words against him. The president's team says it will work with the GOP, but it needs to be fast after more than 1.7 million Americans filed for unemployment the past 2 weeks.
This is an unprecedented crisis, but really the cost of inaction, the cost of failing to do this or delaying for another month really outweighs the cost of taking this action.
President Biden wants Congress to pass the bill this week before the Senate is bogged down with former President Donald Trump's impeachment trial.
I don't care what anybody says. We have got to deal with this pandemic. We have got to make sure that we are producing the vaccines that we need and get those vaccines into the arms of people.
$90 billion in the bill will pay for a federal vaccination program as new, more transmissible variants are quickly spreading across the country.
The surge that is likely to occur with this new variant from England is going to happen in the next 6 to 14 weeks. We are going to see something like we have not seen yet in this country.
With the vaccine supply still low, federal health officials are particularly concerned about these new variants surging in people over 65. They say while hospitalizations have leveled off, there is a hurricane coming. Jennifer Johnson, Global News, Washington.